Today we're going inside a real Oreo-style factory to see how these cookies are really made.
This chocolate dough is the heart of every Oreo, mixed for the perfect texture. These cookies come out perfect, crispy edges, rich chocolate. Just look at them.
They sandwich these cookies so fast, Toved. I swear it looks like magic happening right in front of me. They wrap thousands of Oreo packs in in its sphere. This is absolutely insane. They fill these boxes so fast, it's like watching a printer, but with cookies.
It's crazy how much work and precision goes into every single Oreo pack.
A marvel of modern engineering, this facility produces thousands of cookies every hour, synchronized with flawless precision.
And that's how Oreo cookies are made! From dough to cream to box. If you want me to show how chocolate bars are made next, chat pow, HIT that subscribe button.